Pranava JPC, hi. Charukesh, Rahul Reddy, Deadly Dinesh, ரொம்ப நன்றி உங்களுக்கு படம் பிடிச்சது. I'm so happy you all liked the film and you enjoyed the film. Manivardhan Reddy, hi. Thank you, Raghuram. Thank you. The vision was to watch a film and enjoy, like how we enjoyed films when we were kids. That's how I like the movie. It's a commercial film, and so you can watch with kids, watch with family. But it also had good emotions, which we all connected with. So, how we enjoyed the film, you also enjoyed. So, we feel so grateful and thankful. Thank you, Mahesh. Even I like the climax. Climax, similarly, interval block also. Lal sir, he was here yesterday. I think he's gone back to Cochin. I think he did a brilliant job. I think everybody will agree with it. Lal sir was a great support for the film. He's the Katappa of Sultan. Gobi Durai, thank you. Mahesh, thank you. Hi Raghu. Thank you, Raghu. Hi Shantini. Lucid Dreamer, hi.
Sir. Hello, sir.
Adi, who's that? Hello, congratulations.
Thank you, congratulations to you.
First film, Tamil first film, super hit.
Oh, sir. Pathingla.
I was praying for you more than anybody.
I watched it in Bombay.
Oh, nice. How was it? How did you enjoy it?
As soon as the shoot got over, we packed up and I watched it.
Okay.
I loved it. God, what performance, yeah, you gave. I was like, oh my God, you're so good. But how are you all?
Sorry?
All good?
Yeah, all good. Everyone is happy. We are going to theatres every day to go and see the response.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm so happy. Women are liking it so much, all families, mothers and sisters, they are all saying action is very nice.
Awesome.
Yeah. Kids are all saying Jai Sultan.
See? Jai Sultan.
Yeah. Thank you, Smart. Where are you right now? Where are you?
I'm waiting for a goodbye right now.
Nice. Congratulations. Big film, eh? Bachchan sir also. Fantastic.
Thank you. I am unable to see comments. I don't know. You only have to say, sir.
People are talking to us. You talk to them.
No, I can't see the comments. I don't know how to see. Very bad at technology. What are you telling you?
Taranasri. Hi. Smart Power. You're not able to see the comments?
Yeah.
So what do you like in the movie? Which part of the films? Because you have not seen the fights. You're only seeing now, right?
You're asking me?
Yeah, I'm asking you.
I love the fights. I love the way the whole gang comes together, and that time where you thought the gang went off, they abandoned you and all, but they came back, and the look you gave, gone. I was like, this is the best part. That was my favorite part.
I think even the love scenes everybody enjoyed because Yogi Babu made one different angle to it.
And I'm cute, yeah. Even I really like it. It's quite interesting.
Okay. Akash says you are very cute, man. Actually, the people are watching from all over the country right now. Even from north, people are watching.
I saw.
Ravi Ranjan is saying, please start work in north. She is doing a north film. She is doing a Hindi film now.
when I was watching the film here, the theaters were full. So I was like, wow, everyone
Okay.
are watching. So that's one really good thing now. No comments.
Ihu Verma, hi. So all people are saying you are very cute. So I have said it now. So you listen to it.
Thank you.
ప్రవీణ్ తెలుగులో మాట్లాడాలా ఏదో కొంచెం కొంచెం నాకు తెలుసు ప్రవీణ్ అంత చక్కగా తెలుగు మాట్లాడలేను
1 second, sir. I think I'll get another just so that I can comment.
You can see the comments exactly.
Better.
Come back. So anybody has any particular questions? I think everybody's saying only hi. If anybody has any particular questions, then I can probably answer the questions. Thank you for all the wishes for the film. இந்த படத்துக்கு எல்லாரும் விஷ் பண்ணிருக்கீங்க. So happy that everybody enjoyed with the family. And ఎంతో మంది తెలుగు వాళ్ళు ఉన్నారు. తెలుగు వాళ్ళు తెలుగులో మాట్లాడాలని అడుగుతున్నారు. So తెలుగులో మాట్లాడండి.
చెప్పండి చెప్పండి బాగున్నారా ఏం జరుగుతుంది ఎంత తెలుగులో మాట్లాడు తెలుగులో
They're all wishing you for Pushpa also. Pushpa teaser was superb. So I did go to Kashmir. Somebody's talking about Kashmir. I was in Kashmir 2 years back. What a place, man! The best place to go for a holiday. Beautiful. Gulmarg is somewhere we should definitely go and see.
So someone asked, why should you watch Sultan? Give one good reason.
You go with family, you'll enjoy. I think this film has fantastic action, superb emotions, comedy, romance. I think it has everything. You will definitely enjoy the film.
I second that.
So people are asking about Anna. You know, Anna was one big reason for the film to release on time. Anna gave all the support for the theatrical release. So I should thank him for that. And he really enjoyed the film. The first time he asked her, how did he manage 100 people in every scene? And you know what? Most mothers asked, how did you feed them?
Well, question is valid.
Yeah. பொன்னியின் செல்வன் நல்லா போயிட்டு இருக்கு. பொன்னியின் செல்வன் வந்து இப்ப மத்திய பிரதேஷ் போக வேண்டியது, பட் கோவிட் சிச்சுவேஷனால அங்க பெர்மிஷன் கிடைக்கல. So probably சென்னை இல்லாட்டி ஹைதராபாத்ல will start shooting. Rashmika, what did Bachchan sir say the first day? What did you talk to him?
Oh, the first day I think I was just there for the cues, and he and we just spoke about very random things. I was like, favorite food, just random things, but he's not very sweet. Super. Yeah. Someone say speak in Kannada, sir. You know Kannada?
Kannada kuda matladu. You speak in Kannada 2-3 words, they'll be happy.
Heli. You matadi.
So people are asking about Kaidi 2. We are planning, let's see, probably year end or early next year we might plan the film. Yeah. Lokesh te kelenga. Ask Lokesh. They're all asking about Kaidi 2 for my film. Part 2 of Kaidi they're asking.
Arey, cool, yeah. Kaidi 2, planning.
Rashmika, they're asking you to tell about Suryana.
What do I say?
You haven't met him yet. No, you haven't met him yet.
I think in an award function, I just had a glance. I look at him and say, hi, sir. But nothing else. So, yeah. One day I get to work with sir. Let's see.
People were asking some scenes in the film you were looking dull. So I told them you had dengue and you still worked.
I know, I was looking at this and I was like, Mummy, I'm almost dying in this. You remember, sir, that day that I would just give a focus and I'd just fall off.
Yeah.
I
You know, you really struggled through. Then only we sent you back. I said, you please go back home. You get well and come back.
thinking if you hadn't sent me back, no, it would have been so bad.
You were lucky. And the people are asking about Gada, my bodyguard. So he's called Giant Zanjeer. WWF, one of the fighters. Now he is in America. அவருடைய இதெல்லாம் நம்ம கொடுத்துருக்கோம். We have given his tag in Instagram also. You can see. And director வந்து I think Bhagiraj did a great job handling all these people. So many people are new people who never come in front of camera. But the way he handled everybody, they made sure each character was complete, was very good.
So what was part in the film?
Sorry?
What was your favorite part in the film?
Oh, me. For me, I think the fight with Michael was one of the favorite parts. That emotion between, you know, when people turn against Sultan and how everybody reacts.
Right. Okay. And what was the most difficult to shoot? Tell us that.
Sorry?
Which was the most difficult to
Most difficult.
For me, difficult part, I think shooting climax. Because we were stuck in between COVID and we had to shoot with almost 600 people. So that was really challenging to handle everybody. Rashmika will come back, I think. Some problem.
Yeah, I'm back. Sorry.
Yeah, Vivek Mervin gave us great songs. And the படத்துல வந்து பாட்டு வரும்போது படம் ஸ்லோ ஆகாம அந்த படம் இன்னும் ஃபாஸ்டா போச்சுன்னா அதுக்கு மெயின் the songs are a big reason. So I think I loved all the songs in the film.
And I
And again, Yuvan Shankar Raja's BGM became a big talking point of the film. His background score was like epic when you watched it. Hi, Catherine. What is the finger challenge?
everyone is saying hi.
Yeah. Yuvan Shankar Raja வந்து, I think we had a lot of difficult situation. COVID la poi we had to do the background score and Vivek Mervin was still working on the songs. We had to bring the film on time, April 2nd release ஆகணும். So then we asked Yuvan and he actually made it work. What is the finger challenge, Rashmika? Everybody is asking finger challenge. How to do that?
What I was telling, what I was teaching, remember this?
Yeah.
Oh
How is
God.
that?
So one
Okay. So that,
try. It should go fast.
Amma. Everything is opening. No. I'm not getting it. Sixth sense should work for the setting. Sixth part of the brain has to work for this.
Oh God. So this is the finger challenge which I was telling Bakirat sir about.
Right. So everybody is asking that. People are saying, leave Telugu and come to Tamil.
You like audience.
We should have had a twin sister, yeah. It would have been easier.
Huh?
We should have had a twin sister, I'm saying. Sri Parvati, thank you. Thoda enakku romba pudicha padam. I love that film. Yeah. Please talk in Hindi. Rashmika, you know Hindi? I don't know Hindi.
जी मुझे लेकिन कुछ और प्रैक्टिस होना चाहिए.
But you know Tamil பேசுங்க. எல்லாருக்கும் ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும்.
தமிழ்ல கூட பேச முடியுங்க. கொஞ்சம் பிராக்டிஸ்
கொஞ்சம் பிராக்டிஸ் மட்டும் வேணும்.
Ipo vande, I think in the same sentence, I add 4 languages and I,
Mixed up.
yeah. My God, I need to stop speaking multiple languages at the same time.
I know it's very difficult. At Tola, we used to shoot one shot in Telugu, one shot in Tamil.
Oh God, must have been so confusing, na?
Very, very difficult. I wonder how they did the multilingual, like 3 languages.
Oh.
மலையாளம் தெரியாது, சாரி, மலையாளம் கத்துக்கல. Marathi also they're asking. Gujarati, Marathi, ரொம்ப கஷ்டம். We can't manage Gujarati and Marathi.
Ipo, we are trying to speak it, so don't ask us to speak. Please. Give us 2 more years. We'll come back to that.
Actually, I watched our film in Andhra also. I went to theaters in Andhra and we saw the reaction was superb.
Oh, cool. I wanted to do the theater.
Theater response, fantastic. I should see the people enjoying, especially the night fight is there, that fight where people get up after the blood is spilled.
Yeah.
That scene was hilarious. Theater.
It's hilarious.
So people are asking when I'm going to do a film with Anna. So we are still planning. We're waiting for a good team or a good script to do that. So I think probably Rashmika will also do that film. Let's see.
No, you and Sir get. I'll be in the front row putting whistle and dance. Okay.
We'll see. Once the nice script falls into place, we'll do it for sure.
I'll be waiting.
I always wonder, when we act in movies, it should not be brothers, it should be opposite characters. It will be more interesting.
Yeah. As brothers, no, you should be opposite characters. Now the question: who will play the villain? Who will play the hero? What the story between these two will be? Easy, think about it. Oh my God.
We'll see. Something will come up.
எல்லாரும் கால் பண்ணாங்க.
எல்லாரும் ஹாய் தான் சொல்றாங்க. பிரசாந்த் வர்மா ஹாய்.
ஹாய் எல்லாரும்.
Everybody is only saying hi. If you have some questions, it will be nice to talk here. It will be more interesting.
Great.
What's your next movie? How many movies are you doing right now?
4, sir.
4. What all is that? Pushpa, Goodbye,
Mission Majnu, and Miku Johan.
Wow.
Okay, wait. I'll ask you one question. Give us one interesting thing about your next film. Reveal something.
My next film is Maniratnam sir's film. No, it's Ponniyin Selvan. So it's an epic film. It's a 2-part film, part 1 and part 2. It is actually a 5-novel book. 5-part book, and then now we are making it into a movie. So it's a story which happened 1,000 years back. So it's fiction based on history.
Acha. So you're
and
going to
it's a
shoot?
huge star cast, no? Aishwarya Rai Man, Vikram sir, Jayam Ravi, Jairam sir, myself, huge star cast. Sharath Kumar sir, many.
So you both of it at the same time?
Shobita is doing this film. Lot of people. Lot of good actors. Raman sir's music is kick-ass in the film.
Waiting. How much have you finished it? Like how
70% is over. 70% is over.
They'll be releasing this.
I don't know. The COVID situation is delaying the film. We were hoping it can come for next Sankranti Pongal, Jan.
Oh, cool.
That film is one huge film, no? Tamil industry has been wanting to make that novel into a film for the last 60 years. And now it's actually happening.
Oh my, congratulations. That's massive.
So, did you always want to act, Rashmika, or you suddenly discovered this?
this somehow just, I think, destiny. It just came to my way. Never thought I could be an actor or would be an actor. So,
But what were you planning to do? What were you planning to do otherwise?
as in, I had options of just carrying off my dad's business back.
Dance
Or,
business?
yeah, or teaching.
Wow. I didn't know this. You never told me about this.
No, as in, I was doing journalism and psychology and literature. So, because of my degree, I thought I'd just go back to teaching. Took off some.
I didn't know this side of you at all. You don't show this side of you at all.
No. Now I'm just one naughty brat, but before I would actually be quiet and.
So people are asking, what is my film after Ponniyin Selvan? So after Ponniyin Selvan, I'm doing one film with Mithran who did Irumbuthilai. And after that, I'm doing one more film with Muthaiya, which my brother is producing. So everybody's saying how much Jaan for you. So much love for you.
It's so cute. And I challenge you.
I have the one Tamil speech there asking. From you only they are asking.
Oh, me?
Yeah.
Tamil. Ayyo.
Talk about Yogi Babu. Say a few words about Yogi Babu in Tamil.
Why, sir? Why? Okay. No, Tamil, no. But I think with Yogi Babu, sir, the days when we were with him, I think that whole sketch I was only shooting with Sir, na? So in the short shoot the whole time. I remember how hard I'd find to not laugh on shot.
Yeah.
Like, it's hard for me to not laugh. And the like one easy expressions he'll give, he'll be like, just look at us like that, and it's so hilarious. You feel like laughing, but you can't laugh. You're in the shot. Oh God! I think as how much fun it was, I found it equally hard to shoot with him. It's crazy.
People are asking in Tamil. So, படம் நடிக்கும்போது எல்லா சீனுமே வந்து ரஷ்மிகாக்கு மேக்ஸிமம் யோகி பாபு கூட தான். ஸோ ஒவ்வொரு சீன்லையும் வந்து சிரிக்காம இருக்கிறது ரொம்ப கஷ்டமா இருந்துச்சுன்னு சொல்லிட்டு இருந்தாங்க.
ஆமா சார்.
I remember where we shot. No, you remember the place where we shot that small village?
Dindigul.
Yeah, Dindigul. Yeah, Kadavur.
Yeah.
What a beautiful place.
My hardest of my days, of course.
Hi Samir, thank you. First day for sure he's seeing the film. Thank you so much.
Hi.
A lot of Hindi fans are here, so people are asking to speak in Hindi.
बताइए क्या? I don't think I'll get any more Hindi films after me speaking in Hindi.
But how are you managing the dialogues in Hindi film? You always spoke Hindi, well?
No. For me, dialogues are very easy. It's just when I have to make a sentence, speak suddenly.
Conversation is difficult.
Yeah.
Right. Everybody's saying, please ask her to speak in Tamil only. Joni, hi Joni. Thank you.
So I did my first dubbing in Tamil now for an ad. I dubbed in Tamil. Like, oh, this is how hard the language is.
Yeah. People are saying, please talk in little bit Tamil, little bit Hindi, little bit Kannada. Everybody's here.
எனக்கு like I want to say I really like all these 5 languages. What do I say?
எனக்கு எல்லா லாங்குவேஜும் பிடிச்சிருக்கு. எனக்கு 5 லாங்குவேஜும் பிடிச்சிருக்கு.
No, each word I want to pick up from one language.
Amma. That I shouldn't ask me. So they're asking about Goodbye movie.
Goodbye.
சூர்யா அண்ணா வந்து இப்ப மதுரையில இருக்காரு, ஷூட்டிங்ல இருக்காரு.
How is the situation, sir? Their COVID situation?
I think I don't know. There are no restrictions here. People are finding it safe only here. I think after the election is over, the campaigning and crowding has reduced. So I think here the situation will get better because there is no more crowding allowed anywhere.
Right,
So
right.
Better here. Yeah.
Okay. Bombay, there's some sort of a curfew happening.
Okay.
7, 8 can't shoot. Weekends you can't shoot. And on the weekends and in the night. And there's also pretty much a lockdown in the evenings.
They are saying some restrictions will come here, but we haven't confirmed anything yet.
Right.
So.
Hi.
சரி, எல்லாரும் vote போட்டீங்களா? Did everybody vote yesterday? I wanted to know. Youngsters எல்லாரும் vote பண்ணீங்களா இல்ல ஜாலி ஹால் டைம் வீட்ல உட்கார்ந்துட்டீங்களா? I hope everybody voted. Somebody from Kolkata. Hi Harini. அப்பா நல்லா இருக்காங்க. Thank you கார்த்திகேயன். அப்பா நல்லா இருக்காங்க. அப்பா doing fine. அப்பா first dose vaccine போட்டாச்சு. Second dose இனிமே தான் போடணும். Bhavyata, I love you. Thank you. So people are saying Mumbai alone, a lot of cases are there.
Yeah. I've heard so.
And I was, so many people have been following your work from other languages that everybody knows you here. So many people said I came only for Rashmika.
Ayyo.
Full love.
Now, this is them just being nice. Them just being nice, that's all.
Yeah, they're very kind. Achu, love from Kerala. Thank you, Achu.
I've been wanting to go live since I think for my birthday.
Okay.
But just with all of that what's happening, I'm just unable to find the time. And finally, we got some time. Thank you for getting me live with you. I've been trying to go live
for a long time. Oh, yeah, they've been waiting for it. But so glad you could join also, since both of us could talk to them. So nice. Thank you. So much love for Kaidi movie. Thank you, guys. Thank you.
So what was your thought for Kaidi release? Like, I remember you sitting there and you were just telling me that the Kaidi was releasing tomorrow and all of that. What was your thought?
No, I really enjoyed doing that film. Kaidi was quite an experience because I was working with a completely new crew, and every day, every scene was exciting for us. We were trying to shoot it very differently, not the regular way, and the emotions in the film was very new to me. A prisoner who's come out of the prison after 10 years of jail was quite an experience to enact. I really enjoyed that film, and when the film came out, we were very confident. It came on Diwali. People loved the film, and wherever I go, even I go to North India or wherever I go across, people keep asking when is Kaidi 2 coming. And that's the kind of excitement that film has created. I was very happy that film came to me actually.
Must have been such a new thing, no, for you as an actor, because it's not something you like an actor can do. It's
Not
such a different. Yeah. Oh God.
Very satisfying film. Very satisfying film.
Must have been. That's right.
I think you have to go back to your shot. I think.
Yes, sir.
30.
Yeah. Telling them please to sometime I have to go live. Please let me go off. But
So I should thank everybody for logging in and thank you for all the love and support for Sultan. సుల్తాన్కి నీకు எல்லாரும் கொடுத்த வரவேற்புக்கு ரொம்ப நன்றி అందరికీ నా ధన్యవాదాలు చాలా చాలా థ్యాంక్స్ అండి థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ జాయినింగ్ విత్ us థ్యాంక్ యూ లవ్ యూ ఆల్ బీ సేఫ్ టేక్ కేర్
Sorry, sorry.
bye thank you guys